welcome to day number 22 of the Kitty's Moment Advent Calendar.
Today, what we're doing is we're filming this on the day that we're actually uploading it, like all the other times.
Yes, totally.
Every other time.
Every other time we film. Oh, and by the way, I'm sick and I got a haircut, but every other day we definitely filmed on the day that we uploaded.
And now we're all sick. So.
I'm no longer as sick. My voice has been transferred to Noah's. I'm normal now.
They all got me super sick. I can't breathe anymore.
Look at Noah's haircut.
Woo! What's the guy's name who cut you? Give him a shout out.
OT Barbershop in Old Town in Orlando, Florida.
It was in Kissimmee.
Kissimmee?
It was in Kissimmee.
He's a hair artist. He told me to give him a Google review, and I haven't done it yet. But
He's gonna be so disappointed.
The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna open up this Nativity Advent Calendar from Precious Moments. Thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product.
Oh yeah.
We got another wise man.
Whoa! Noah, do us a good read.
Third wise man brought myrrh as his treasure to this blessing from God that was too big to measure.
Aw.
Oh, that's wholesome.
That's so
vibing.
sweet.
Literally
I know a vibe.
Vibe check. Passed.
All right, day number 22. He's excited.
You sure it is?
Oh my goodness, what is it? It's an ornament.
It's an ornament.
It's an ornament. Pretty pink ornament.
It's an ornament.
Pretty. This is orange? Excuse me? That's orange?
Pretty. Wait, the ornament is orange?
Silence!
Is that?
22. Pretty pink ornaments, 1 and 2. I'll hang one, and there's one for you.
It's nice.
I can make it so much taller than my previous hair because basically what I do now is I like go upside down and like take the hair dryer and go like this and like put the hairspray in front of it and like sprays hairspray. I sure do want some of that.
Where are the scissors?
All right, what is it, Jonah?
Garlic beef strips.
I'm kind of scared of this one, honestly.
I'll have me a bite
The
of it.
garlic might be too overpowering of a taste.
The other garlic one was pretty good. Stop!
Who else wants some?
He's bothering me. No, he spit on me.
I sure.
And don't spit, it's gross.
Not as good as the bourbon deer.
I like it.
So good though.
I don't remember which one was my favorite. I think it was like garlic gator. That was good.
I can taste the garlic in there. I'm digging it.
I have boogers on my nose.
You do have boogers on your nose. Your brother thinks that's fun.
Okay.
I blew a copious amount of boogers out of my nose.
Please stop. Okay, day number 22 on the Bracelet Charm Advent Calendar. I can't do my the voices I would do when I was sick.
Sit in your snake.
Yeah. That's just something you can normally do.
It's a beetle.
All right, I got a little snowman with no nose. He is so cute. It's been saved well. Now it's time to open up number 22 on the Makeup Advent Calendar.
Oh, what is that?
It's a Banana Dreams loose powder.
Oh!
That's epic. I love that.
Oh!
That's my favorite brand.
Cheese time!
It is time. It's time for cheese.
Yeah.
Some cheese.
What is happening?
Ready for some cheese? Alright guys. We're about to open up some cheese, y'all. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Let's cheese.
Is that herb Gouda? I'm so sick of herb Gouda at this point.
That's
This tomato and olive Gouda. You know what? I'm not
I hate
eating
that one. That's
I'm
the
not
worst
even gonna eat this one. I'm really tired of this.
Why are you cutting it then? I don't want any.
I don't want to eat it.
Alright, brother.
This one's so good.
Alright.
Superb.
Hoo boy.
Pretty good.
That's great. I love this one.
If you guys don't know, I don't like the tomato and olive Gouda.
So today we have one PR gift. My mom gave me the keys for it, so I think it's a car. It's outside. Let's go outside.
We have one PR gift, and it's outside, as he said. listen to free music on the radio? Thank you, Kid Trax, for the free product, and thank you for watching.
You are the 1000th viewer of this video. Click here. Click here.
Tune in
Click
tomorrow
here.
for day number 23.